Hi, welcome to Hack the File. I'm Michael Lopez, and this is going to be the second video in the Kali Linux Basic Intermediate book. Enjoy. All right, we're back to the second video. In the last video, we covered some of these command lines and we were messing with them. So we went through these. I didn't know how to use some of these, but it's okay because I'll mess with them later in the book, I'm sure, and you can mess with them on your own time, right? All right, let's pick up where we left off. So, make directory. We'll use this command to create new directories. To create a new directory in your current workspace, type make directory and then give it a name. For example, make directory new folder. For cases where you want to create directories outside your current directory, you must specify a path. For example, make directory space dash user one desktop report last week, right? That's just an example. We're going to put it in something else. Um, remove directory. We use the remove directory command to remove directories. Similar to the make directory command, this command takes options that determine how the system deletes files. Move directory, MV, and copy directory, CP. We use the the MV command to move and rename directories and files. We use the CP command to copy files. The syntax for copying files is CP, whatever one you you want to copy, and then the target file where you want to put it. So here's an example. MV hello directory would be the directory. We want to move that, so we're going to put this little caret space caret space dash, and we want to put it in the user share, right? Other useful commands. So we're going to do these first. We're going to play with them. Let's pull up the Kali box. All right, make directory. So actually, let's just do this full screen. Open this. We'll do mk directory test one. Well, first let's see where we're at. All right. Let's see what we got in here already. Okay. So make directory test one. Now let's check it. ls. There's test one, so it made a directory. Okay, now let's see. The next one is remove directory. All right, let's remove that directory. So it's wait, what was it again? It's rm directory. Let's see if it's there. It's gone now. See, it was up here. Now it's gone. Right. All right. Let's see what the next thing said. Move and copy. We'll use the move command to rename directories and files. We use the cp command to copy files. So we want to copy, and then we want to put it So move. Okay, let's try this. So we're gonna let's make it again. So make directory test two. Let's check to see if it's there. It's there. Let's see where we're at. We're at home. Let's go back. Put us in home. We can even verify that. So we're in home. Okay, I did that wrong. So CD. Now we're okay. Hold on. We're in. We want to go to. All right, that's fine. Um. So now we're in the Cali home. Oh no, I did it right. I wanted to see what was in the home. So we have Cali in there, right? All right, let's do this. It's way easier. Make directory test file test three. All right. So I got test. I've got test two and test three. I'm gonna move test two into test three. All right, because that's what it said. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to move the directory, right? So we're gonna use this one. Move directory over to that. So we're gonna go like this. MV move directory. Oh, man. What is it? Move directory? Oh, it's just move. I'm gonna move test two. Wait a minute. Yeah, move test two. Little caret to to home. Is it Cali home? Home Cali. I don't think we have to put this. I think we just have to put um, test three. I'm doing something wrong. put the whole. I had to put the whole thing. Hmm. So this is the move example, right? Oh, source, target file. Okay, so this is copying a file, but this is a directory, so they're moving this directory to user share. No such file or directory. Where am I? Oh, now there's a file. Oh, wait. All right, let's figure this out. So maybe so move test two. It's test two, right? Yeah. Let's copy this. Sure, that's how you do it. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I mean, not maybe. I am doing it wrong. I don't have the permissions to do this. Permission denied. What looked up the permissions? No, crap. Show permissions. ls dash l. ls dash l. So test three is what we're trying to move into. I can um, read, write. Looks like it has full permissions. Hmm. Let's see if we can copy. What was the what was the copy? Copy. We use move. We use the copy command to copy files. Source file, target file. Well, this is directory. We haven't made a file, have we? All right, let's read this and see if we can mess with this a little bit. So help. Let's go to the help. Let's see if help can help me. And help is a really important thing. So let's see if help can help me. It's a dash help. Really? What's happening here? That makes no sense. Why is help not found? Did I break it? I have to install help. Whoa. Why is help not? Apart from the file management command we have discussed above, Linux supports a wide array of commands. In this section, we're going to look at some we must know. Is it dash dash help? What the? I broke it. I broke it. I might have to update this. Hmm. Okay, so help. This lists all the commands in the terminal. It doesn't work. I don't know why. It's weird. I'm gonna have to investigate this. We use this to extract, create, and view tar files. We use this command to search files matching certain criteria in specified locations. This is a good one. We use this command to extract and create gzip archives. We use the nzip command to extract or unzip a zip archive. Okay, so let's do find. Then I'm going to come back to, I don't know why this help's not working. Let's see where we're at. Then let's get a list. Let's go to find. There's test 3. So found test 3. Let's see if we can find it somewhere else. Nope. Let's do. Let's copy. Do. See what it said. Copy to there. Maybe I was doing the wrong thing. But let's just move on because that's basic commands. I don't even know how to use them. But within practice and stuff, what is this command shows the use of certain commands. It gives a short description of a command. Man, this command shows the manual of a specified command. Exit commands have multiple bash sessions. Sudo, we use this command to run a specified command as a super user or root user. Su, in the terminal we use this command to switch users. Top, this command acts as a task manager and terminal shows top process. Shutdown, this command shuts down the computer after a specified time. Oh, I like that top processes. Let's look at that top processes one. So this is going to show the top processes. All right. Linux commands are case sensitive, so if you type them incorrectly, they will not work. If you want to master Linux, master the shell. Networking basics. Okay, so that section is done. And now the basic commands, what I am going to do is I'm going to Google why all my stuff wasn't working, and then I'll have the answers, right? That's what you should do. I don't want to do that here, or I can, and then we can get it working if you want. I mean, that'd probably be more valuable, right? So let's see if I can do that in under 3 minutes. Okay. So let's do the permissions. So this is, you're gonna do this in conjunction with the book, right? So your R, permission to read, permission to write, permission to execute. Okay. All right. So I found something here. Um, Looks like I was using the help wrong. So let's see if this works. So you have to type in the command and then dash dash help to see what That's not what it says in that book, right? It just says to put help. But let's see if that works. Uh, so we'll put move dash dash help. That worked, right? So, Google is your best friend. You actually, learn something. So, move. This is how move works, right? So, move and then your option and your source destination. Source directory, rename source to destination, or move sources or source to directory. Mandatory argument to long options are mandatory to short options too. Okay, let's go here. All right, so did some investigating, and like the book says, move can move or rename. It should say or directories and files. Um, we use the mv command to move and rename directory files. This is kind of a wordage thing. I think better would have been or and, because you can do both. You can do or, so it's kind of confusing. You can, so that this is, we're having problems, but and this little caret, I don't think you need to put that there, right? So I don't know why this is here. Maybe they explained it that it wouldn't, it doesn't matter if that's there. But so let's move let's move one of those test ones that we have into our home directory, right? So let's just go move test 2, and this little, I guess the little caret that's takes you home, right? Because we're in home already. Okay, and that's not gonna work because it's already home. Yeah, see, test 2 and home are the same file. So I mean, I would like to. Okay, so I was in test 3. I created a directory, test 4. Then I moved that to my home. This is a shortcut to go to your home. See, and then now we'll cd. Oh, I'm sorry, cd go home. So now I'm in home. Check it, home, and then we'll see if that test 4 is in there, and it is, right? So move is kind of complicated. You can do a lot of stuff with move, and what I did was is I looked up a little video here. I just typed in how to move a directory into, and I can't type, another directory, Kali Linux, and moving and copying files and directories. And I found this one, and I guess this lady goes through, or this guy goes through a bunch of different move commands, and this is the one that I used. His last one right here. I don't know, but that's how you troubleshoot that, right? And that's what we're basically doing. If you don't know how to do something, which I don't use move and I don't use copy a lot. I mean, this is I don't use Kali Linux at all. Okay, on a daily basis. So this me doing these videos, and I mean, I haven't used it in to tell you the truth, I haven't used this in a year. Okay, and since I was in school and stuff, and um, I've done all this, I just don't remember. Right, this is something that you got to be like typing, you got to be doing all the time. But that's why I'm doing these videos, is to teach, show you how to do some research, because it only took me like 2 seconds to Google it, look it up, and then now I kind of have an idea of how move works, right? And the books aren't going to tell you all this information, right? The books are just going to give you a basic uh, idea of what's going on and how to use the, or how the command is used. It might give you a practical example, but you got to figure it out yourself, right? And so hopefully when I get to this book, I'll have more experience. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? It's a learning thing. So you got to practice this, Google it, and YouTube videos are awesome. So I mean, they'll help you with basic stuff. So just like my video helps you kind of like think about stuff, and gives you resources on what books to study and stuff like that, and runs through projects like this. And um, it's a learning experience. So that worked. um, Took me about 5 minutes to figure it out. Now the rest of this stuff, tar, the find, we got it to work, gzip, unzip. This is all stuff that um, having knowledge of it is good until you actually need to use it. um, because eventually you're gonna have to unzip a file or whatnot, right? And so that's for later or another time. All right, this was Hack the File, and on the next video we'll go through like the networking basics, and hopefully we can get through this um, pretty quick, and then we can start onto the fun stuff for the information gathering tools, and see how to use it, run some examples. Now you can't see this, but you'll be able to see mine, which um, that's one thing bad about this. But I don't think we need to see exactly. I mean, we can read this and follow the examples, and see if we can get to let me see. So let's see if we can do at least part 3, get through part 3 at least, some kind of fun stuff, right? The actual tools, and see how they're used. That's what I'm interested in, right? All this command line stuff and is stuff that you can practice and on your own time. But I don't like to skip stuff, right? I like to go through and and teach people how to troubleshoot stuff, because as you can see, I was stuck there, right? I didn't know what was going on and all that. And so the basic thing to do is Google it and YouTube a quick little video on it, then it'll get you stuck out of the mud, right? That's the valuable thing we're learning on these two videos today. And it's a little wrap up. But we got that out of the way. Now let's get through all this networking basics and stuff. Because if you're watching this series and you haven't seen another one, this stuff is very important, and I like the way they explain it. So I'll see you on the next video. Hope you had fun.